All power generation companies have significant capabilities on staff. Most often, they rely on the knowledge and experience of their people to resolve the difficult issues. Here is what our clients had to say about this type of approach.
Previously, our troubleshooting consisted of determining every possible way that it could have failed and finding every possible fact that was available, and then dispositioning each and every one of these whether it could or could not have caused that failure. We were successful in finding problems this way, but it was very time-consuming and required much effort.
Prior to Kepner Tregoe, what you see is that there would be a focus on getting the plant back up and running, or that equipment back up and running, and they'd prioritize what they were going to do, and they'd go after that, and then they'd go and fix it. And you did give some thought to the troubleshooting efforts, and there were other programs and processes out there at the time, but we really just focused on getting the equipment back up to speed.
So when we started to do that, we hadn't gone through Kepner Tregoe yet, and so we were of sorts flailing through that process with just our natural abilities to try to figure out what's the right structure, how would we organize it, how would we effectively train staff.
We wanted to change the culture at Nanticoke from one that was, I'd say, opinion-based to one that was more fact-oriented. And a lot of that had to do with staff coming in and replacing a lot of experienced staff.
We didn't have a consistent approach to assess situations. We had some disjointed efforts where people had different methods of setting priorities and assessing situations. So we wanted to have a more collaborative arrangement, a more collaborative workforce where we could jointly agree on what the priorities were and what our path forward would be.